So guys, I hope you find today's video motivational and inspiring. I share some laundry motivation with you guys, and I also share a Burlington haul of a few items I picked up for myself yesterday. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Share it if you feel the need to. I gladly appreciate it, and I'll see you at the end or later on in the video. Love y'all. So guys, I'm gonna do a quick Burlington haul for you guys, show you just a few stuff I got for myself yesterday. So guys, I got this. This one was $17. It's YMI. I like how this fit on me, and I think it's high-waisted. And then I got this one, and this one was $15. It's red bottoms. I love how this one fits. I actually picked up 2 more jeans, but they couldn't fit me when I took them back to the dressing room. They couldn't fit, so I had to just leave them because we were in a rush. So I got these 2 jeans. Love them. So guys, you know it's cardigan season, so I got this orange cardigan. It was $10. I believe it was on clearance. We got the pockets right here, and I like the length of it, so I grabbed this one. This one was also $10. This one also has the pockets. I love the way it fit, and I love the design in the back because it has so many options of cardigan. I wanted to pick them all up, but I had to resist the urge to do so. And then I picked up this print because it reminds me the Christmas print, so I picked this one up, and it's a turtleneck, and I believe this one was for $17. I absolutely love it, and I love the little design cut at the end. So I got this next top, and I believe it was $11, and I love the little design right here. I love this type of design, and I love the way this looks. The little design on the strap right here is super cute, super simple, plain but cute little design to elevate it. And for the final piece, I got this sweater top. I love it. Was $13. I love the fact that it has a hood on it, and I love this at the side. I was trying to find this one in another color, but this was the only color they had, so I was a bit bummed about it, but I'm gonna go back and see if I find it in another color. So guys, that was that for today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment, and I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day, y'all. Little mama is still sick. I'm still sick. We all are still sick. But yeah, so she's a bit needy. But yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Love y'all.